Yo, what's up everyone? It's the Nomad here. We're living in a world where AI is automating jobs left and right. What skills can make you truly irreplaceable? It's not about learning to code faster than a robot. It's about the things that make us human. We're going to break down each skill, why it's important, and how you can start mastering it today. Let's get started. The first irreplaceable skill set: critical thinking and complex problem solving. This is where humans still have a massive advantage. AI is incredible at pattern recognition and solving predefined problems. But throw it a curveball, a truly novel challenge that requires intuitive leaps and creative solutions. That's where AI starts to stumble. And that's where you come in. The ability to look at a problem, dissect it, and come up with innovative solutions, that's gold. AI can tell you what's broken, but it takes critical thinking to figure out it's broken and how to fix it in a way that actually makes sense for people. It's about connecting the dots, seeing the bigger picture, and not just treating the symptoms, but understanding the root cause. Let me give you a real-world example. I was working with a software development team, and their project was hit with a mysterious performance issue. They were using all the latest AI debugging tools, and the AI kept pointing to the database queries as the culprit. But a senior developer on the team, someone with years of experience and honed critical thinking skills, took a step back. He looked at the entire system, not just the isolated data points, and guess what? He realized the real issue wasn't the database at all. It was how the application was handling memory allocation. The AI tools were so focused on optimizing the individual queries that they missed the forest for the trees. That senior developer, his critical thinking skills saved the team weeks of work and probably a ton of headaches. So how do you actually level up your critical thinking? One of the best ways is to dive into courses on logic and reasoning. Challenge yourself to tackle one complex problem each day without relying on AI tools. The second irreplaceable skill: human-centered design thinking, and it's all about empathy. Now, AI can generate designs, no doubt. Feed it enough images and parameters and it can spit out logos, website layouts, even product prototypes. But here's the thing: AI can't feel. It can't truly understand human emotions, needs, and desires. And that's where you come in. This is where your ability to connect with people on a human level becomes a superpower. We're talking about the ability to identify unspoken user needs, to design with psychological and emotional considerations in mind, to create experiences that resonate on a deeper level. That's something AI just can't replicate. Think about the products you love to use, the ones you keep coming back to. Chances are they were designed with a deep understanding of human psychology and a focus on creating a positive emotional experience. That's the power of human-centered design. So how do you develop this empathetic human-centered approach? IDEO, the global design firm, offers incredible online courses on design thinking. And if you want a classic book on the topic, check out The Design of Everyday Things by Don Norman. You'll be amazed at what you discover through simple human connection, insights that no AI could ever pick up on. Chapter 3. Technical Systems Thinking: Mastering the Art of the Big Picture. Let's talk about the third irreplaceable skill: technical systems thinking. Now, this might sound intimidating, but it's simpler than you think. It's about understanding how complex systems work together, how the different pieces of the puzzle connect and interact. AI, as powerful as it is, tends to have a narrow focus. It can optimize individual components, but it's not great at seeing the big picture, especially across different technical domains. It doesn't always grasp the interdependencies between systems or predict the cascading effects of changes. Let me give you an example. Imagine a company migrating their entire infrastructure to the cloud. AI tools can be incredibly helpful for optimizing individual service migrations, automating tasks, and even identifying potential bottlenecks. But you need humans to oversee the entire process. People who understand the broader business implications, the security considerations, the potential points of failure across the entire ecosystem. Think of it like this: AI can help you build a high-performance engine, but it takes a human to design the car and make sure all the parts work together seamlessly. That's technical systems thinking. So how do you develop this system-level understanding? Start with the fundamentals. Get a solid grasp of basic infrastructure components like networks, databases, and APIs. Then dive into system design principles. Learn about different architectural patterns, scalability considerations, and how to design for resilience. A great book to get you started is Designing Data-Intensive Applications by Martin Kleppman. The more you experiment and explore, the better you'll understand how complex technical systems operate. Chapter 4. AI Orchestration. Becoming the conductor of the AI revolution. This next one might seem ironic, but trust me on this. One of the most irreplaceable skills in the age of AI is knowing how to work AI. I'm talking about AI orchestration and prompt engineering. Think of it like this. AI is a powerful tool, but it's still a tool. It takes a skilled operator to wield that tool effectively. AI orchestration is about understanding which AI tools are best suited for specific tasks, how to chain them together to create powerful workflows, and how to manage the flow of data between them. It's about becoming the conductor of an orchestra of AI algorithms, each playing its part to achieve a common goal. Then there's prompt engineering, which is all about crafting effective prompts, the instructions you give to AI models, to get the desired results. It's a subtle art, but it's becoming increasingly important as AI tools become more sophisticated. The better your prompts, the better the output you'll get from your AI systems. So, how do you become an AI orchestrator, a master of prompt engineering? Start by diving deep into the documentation of popular AI platforms like OpenAI. Learn how to use their APIs, experiment with different models, and get a feel for how to craft effective prompts. There's a great book called Working with AI by Thomas Davenport that explores these concepts in depth. The more you practice, the better you'll become at wielding the power of AI to your advantage. Maintain human oversight, experiment with different prompts, and see how you can improve the AI's performance over time. Chapter 5. Continuous learning, the ultimate skill in a world of constant change. And finally, the most important, irreplaceable skill of all, continuous learning and adaptation. Look, the tech world is moving at warp speed. New technologies are emerging constantly, and the skills that are in demand today might be obsolete tomorrow. That's why the ability to learn, adapt, and evolve is more valuable than any specific technical skill. It's about embracing a growth mindset, being comfortable with being uncomfortable, and always being willing to push yourself beyond your comfort zone. Here's the thing about continuous learning. It's not just about acquiring new technical skills. It's also about developing your soft skills, your communication, collaboration, problem-solving, and critical thinking abilities. These are the skills that will set you apart, regardless of what new technologies emerge. So how do you make continuous learning a part of your life? It starts with setting aside dedicated time for learning. Even just 30 minutes a day can make a huge difference over time. Next, create a personal learning roadmap. Identify the skills you want to develop, the technologies you want to master, and the areas where you want to grow. Embrace informal learning opportunities like reading articles, listening to podcasts, watching documentaries, and attending webinars. The future belongs to those who are constantly learning, adapting, and evolving. So those are the 5 irreplaceable skills that will set you apart in the age of AI critical thinking, human-centered design systems, thinking AI orchestration, and continuous learning. These skills form the foundation of a future-proof career in tech and beyond, but here's the thing, knowledge without action is useless. So here's my challenge to you. Choose one of these skills and take a concrete step to develop it this week. It doesn't have to be anything crazy. Sign up for a course, read a book, start a project, have a conversation. Just take that first step, like and subscribe for more future-proof career advice, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss next week's video on building your personal learning system. Thanks for watching.